my guest will be Tina Morgan, my good friend, a loving lady, a home cook, and my co-host.
Hi, Suzy.
Hello, Tina.
Always good to see you.
So what's cooking today?
What's cooking today is soup. Soup is such a great standard. It's such warm comfort food. At least the first two we're going to do are warm comfort food.
Okay.
They're easy. You can have them as a snack. You can have them as a side, or you can make them into a whole meal. So in our first segment here, we're going to do two hot soups. I'm going to do a roasted tomato soup.
Okay.
And we are going to do a potato-based soup that we're going to make into a clam chowder, but you can make it into all sorts of things.
Two soups.
Two soups.
Wow.
Two soups. And we're going to work together.
27 minutes.
I know.
Okay.
Well, we're actually going to do three.
Three.
But the two hot ones are those. So
Okay.
we're going to get started. So you want to change the color. You want to make it look pretty.
Look at that.
There we go.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Wow. I'm
Good.
gonna, here's your, I'm into this one, the color first. Because clam chowder, I had it at the restaurant. I
Well,
never
then you're
had
gonna have
that.
to tell me how
I'll
I
try
compare.
yours, right. And now try that. This is summery.
This is beautiful. Gets you through the summer. Fresh, vibrant, little savory, a little sweet.
Little sweet,
If you
little
want
savory.
Yeah, if you want a little more heat, you can throw in. Just don't throw all your jalapenos in
love
at
this.
once, so that you can determine how hot you want it, how spicy you want it.
You
right?
know?